ショマンロードマン、アイショマンロードマン、トピカリティ、カウンタープラン1、2。ディスアドバンテージ1、2。オブザベーション AD1、2、3。So totality, firstly, when there is no reasonable violation, therefore please simply pick up. Okay. Then go to counter plan 1. Counter plan 1. Firstly, my first argument, both adoption is best policy. Then my second argument, no proof of avoid disadvantage one scenario. Avoid disadvantage one scenario. That means disadvantage scenario happen by the Terrace field cannot win the competition. Then Terrace field is abundant. Then after the counter plan station, to some extent in the competition car, then according to the negative, Terrace field have the weaker power. To some extent they have they are loose, they also not winning. Then at least my third argument, the no proof capture advantage, therefore this can become inferior. Then my fourth argument, no proof of C point second car, after plan we can export something. However, cross apply observation second car, they never show opponent motivation. That means even if Japan want to export, opponent never allow that this is observation second card content. Therefore, this is not solvency. Then go to counter plan 2. Counter plan 2. Anyway, my first argument is that 0% is danger or not must be debated in this round. Therefore, you should follow this round in this round's result. Counter plan take or no. At least my second argument is undertaking counter plan 2, all inherency happen and this can be inferiority. Then, at least my third argument is that no proof, all disadvantage never occur in negative percent or something. Therefore, proof and go to negative. Then go to disadvantage 1. Disadvantage 1. Firstly, they say, okay. Firstly, disadvantage 2. Disadvantage 2, they say, first argument, extend future not any car. So on this point, the tendency is granted. That means the abundant situation is completely future not any. That means if you keep status quo, agriculture is shrinking and shrinking, then some rice field are abundant. Under such situation, what is threshold? Completely proof burden is go to negative. Then, if you think impact review occurs, threshold proof burden go to negative. Then, until they never prove. You should not take observation external effect argument, please remember. Then my second argument is extend no linkage car. Even if we lose competition, this is not the same meaning as jobless or such collapse or something. This is granted. This completely collapse burden go to negative. Then go to advantage 1. Observation. Firstly, they extend no inherency card also. However, extend S point second car. As long to some extent, I grant the proof of no proof of solvency. But the inherency itself, after plan, the result is unknown. But the smooth negotiation we can do. Therefore, we can presume the more positive thinking than status quo. Therefore, this is after presentation. Then about the second card, as I said in disadvantage 2, this cannot be depend on disadvantage 2. Then go to advantage 1. Advantage 1, crucial point is that firstly WTO find or something, minor speaker say so. However, our ASA point first card content is in the Bulgaria, the Japan will agree and extend the last argument. From this fact, that is under status quo, exporting minimum access right. That means that in Japan, even status quo, Japan can refuse this but accept. This situation can guarantee no feasibility. Then she speaker say foreign license policy also. However, they never ship Japan. Therefore, to extend the point second car, uniquely export to Japan, the safety of the quality is needed. So this unique Japanese assumption can be direct. Then go to advantage 2. Advantage 2. Firstly, minor speaker say now declaration is continuous. However, is this the card content of negative? That means the under status quo, the Abenomics is the positive policy for people. Under such situation, no deflation linkage was happened. Then, at least my second argument is that no impact of deflation was given. Then, only affirmative side show the still unstable economy, but that is an advantage to Visa point second card. Then, in terms of quality, we are playing. Then, go to AD3. AD3. Firstly, they say no inherency, we can import something. However, this is partial. The mean extend B subpoint mask. We should prepare the most serious problem situation we have to take plan. So this no inheritance can be partial. Then WSA no solvency 100% situation never change or something. C subpoint first no solvency situation. But extend C subpoint first. Our assumption is after plan total amount of falling lines is increased. Therefore this can solve this no solvency curve assumption. Then go to disadvantage 1. Disadvantage 1 in okay then extend ZNC second purchase the Zane version post situation then AD2 flip or something however AD2 and disadvantage is completely different therefore you should evaluate independently. Okay, that's all.